शुरू से
Blossom is third one of the flower and it is made of anther. Anther contain, it is made of stamen. It contain anther and connective, and third part is filament. When anther contains pollen grains, it contains various microsporangia. परागकोश के विकास की विभिन्न अवस्थाएं, डिफरेंट स्टेज ऑफ पोलन ग्रेन्स. फर्स्ट आर्चिस्पोरल सेल परपरसु कोशा, सेकंड प्रोगैम्बियल स्टेम, देन अंतस्तोचा एंडोडर्मिस, देन प्राइमरी राइटर सेल या भित्ति कोशा, देन स्पोरोजेनस सेल और बीजाणुजनक कोशा. नाउ वी सी इन द डी डायग्राम. इन डी डायग्राम वी सी स्टोमियम जहाँ से पोलन ग्रेन झड़ता है, एंड वी सी द डायग्राम ऑफ ए एंथर. इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट और एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है. फर्स्ट पार्ट इज एंडोडर्मिस या बाह्य त्वचा, देन एंडोथीशियम, देन मिडिल लेयर, देन टेपिटम, देन माइक्रोस्कोप मदर सेल या बीजाणु मात्र कोशा. नाउ वी सी द मैच्योर एंथर. इन मैच्योर एंथर यू कैन सी एंडोडर्मिस, fascicular strand, endothecium, pollen grains, etc. The development of pollen grain takes place by two methods. First, in the monocote plants, microspore mother cell divide and it form 2 cells, then 4 cells. This division is called isobilateral division. Next part is microspore mother cell. It divides by division and it forms a tetrad of 4 cells. It is found in dicot stem. In Calotropis, we can see the corpusculum first part, then cortical, then pollinium. Pollen grains are of different type. Some ball shaped, some spinous. In pollen grains, we can see that the development takes place in microsporangium. First layer is exine, undergrade parathentine. Then it divides by division meiosis. Then 2 cells are formed, pollen tube and then generative cell. Then pollen tube and generative cell. We can see the generative cell divides into 2 parts, that is called male gametes. When the pollen grain ruptures, then we see it form pollen tube. Which contains 2 male gametes, and in time यही इसको बनाती है और एक्साइन फट जाती है. Now we see the microscope of the cell, tetrad of haploid microspores. They form a mitosis, then wall of pollen grain, tube of nucleus, then generating cell, then tube nucleus, axon in time. We can see the diagram of a female part. The upper part is called stigma, unichatra, then tube style, vertica, then the swollen part forms fruit. It is called ovary. In Papaver or somniferum, the ovary is syncarpus, stigma is formed, and in Michelia champaka, the ovary is apocarpus. So the